Okay, so this is the LG refrigerator, and this is the ice maker that came out of there. The only thing you have to take out is this screw, these two screws down here, and then unplug it from the unit, or from the wall unit down there, up there, inside. Unplug it and you're good to go. Once you take this out, to take the ice maker off, there's 3 screws, one here, one there, and another one inside. There's 2 of them side by side. It's the further one on the very right. The one next to it is to hold this little cup thing for the water. So yeah, you don't have to take this apart at all, which I did, my mistake. First, all I did is to take this out, and then to put it back was really hard. So now I'm going to put it back. The problem with this one was, I think this, for one, was broken. So I kind of glued it back up. You can't get this model, this 208 model. Now I'll put the numbers up. They have a new one. It's the 210 model. That's the one you need to get if your old unit's not working. So I'm going to put this back. Also, if you didn't know, if you're trying to test this, if you hold this button down here, way down here, for 3 seconds, it'll do a full flip over. And then what it'll do, it'll twist. You'll see it twist, which is normal, which I didn't think was normal, but it is normal. And that's how the ice cubes come out. This is a sensor so that it knows that the ice cubes are now hard, so it will dump. And these sensors, it tells it if the bucket of ice is full. If it's full, it won't dump anymore. So that's what that is. And this here agitates or turns the unit in here so that we can get ice out. It hooks up to this thing. Okay? Makes any sense to you? All right, so I'm going to put it all back. I'm going to see if it works. Be sure you turn your water off first. They say to turn the power off, but I didn't do that. That's up to you. If you want to turn the power off, that's fine. But what happens when you open the door, of course, it'll sit there and blink forever. And that's what it looks like. Let me show you. Empty. This is where the unit plugs into. This is your water spigot when it needs water, which I tried to clean. It was pretty bad, all corrosion. So, and then this is your drain. Okay, so I'm going to clean this up again and then put that unit back inside. Like I said, 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, and then this unit over here. So let me do that and then we'll test it. Okay, so it's all back in. We'll wait. It says 24 to, there's nothing here. There's nothing here yet. It's been a couple hours, but it says 24 to 48 hours. So tomorrow morning, I'll check it and I'll let you know if it works. If it doesn't, I'll have to order a new one. All right. All right, so it's been 4 or 5 hours. We heard it drop, so now we should have some ice, I would think. Let's take a look. Yes, we do. Check it out. All right, so for the minute, case is closed, and if it stops working, then we'll just go ahead and buy the new and improved. All right, well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, hopefully I can answer them. If not, somebody else can, right? All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell. Don't forget to comment, like, and share with your friends. All right. First, let me give a thumbs up. There we go. And then say thanks to artificial intelligence speaking on my behalf. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more.